Hello students, welcome back to my channel. This video for the students of class 2A and for 2B, and our subject is mathematics. Uh, we are in the chapter multiplication. You know, in the previous video we have discussed multiplication table up to 10 and their respective problems. Today we will discuss the multiplication using grid, that is multiplication grid. Some facts about multiplication. Multiplying by 0 and 1, what will you get? Multiplying by 10 and 100, what will you get after multiplication? That's our topic. So let us discuss with multiplication grid. So you have to know what is multiplication grid. This multiplication grid look like this. It looks like this, and you know, this is a table. This is a table, and this is the topmost row. This is this horizontal strip are called topmost row, and this vertical strip is called vertical strip, right? Vertical strip, it's called leftmost column. Vertically is called column and horizontally is called row, right? So how many rows and how many columns are here? 10 rows and 10 columns. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So how many rows? 10 rows, and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and 10 columns, right? So you have to know how to do multiplication using this table. Okay, so let us discuss. Find 5 cross 6. To find 5 cross 6, so how to do this kind of problem? 5 cross 6. So first of all, we have to find from the leftmost column, right? Leftmost column, this number, that is 5, and you have to circle it. So from the leftmost column, where is 5? So this is 5, and now circle it. So I have circled. Now the number is 6, so you have to find this 6 from the topmost row. So where is 6? Here is 6, and now circle it. So I have circled, right? Now draw a arrow from 5. Draw a arrow horizontally or row wise, and from 6 draw also a arrow from this 6 vertically or column wise. If you see that these two rows meet at the digit 30, right? So our product is 30. Did you get that? Okay. Another example, 4 cross 7. So first of all, you have to find 4 from the leftmost column. So where is 4? So this is 4 and it is also circled. Now you have to find 7 from the topmost row and circle it. So I have circled. Now draw arrow from 4 horizontally or row wise, and from 7 draw a arrow from vertically, or you can say column wise. So these two arrows meet at 28. So what would be the result? Yes, 28. So you get 28. So this is our product using this table, isn't? I'm trying to find another example, 9 cross 10. 9 cross 10, right? So how to do 9 cross 10? I told you you have to first find find 9 from the leftmost column. Where is 9? Here is 9. So I have circled it and draw a arrow. So I have drawn arrow horizontally or row wise, and the second number is 10. So where is 10? From the topmost row. Here is 10 and I have circled it. Now draw a arrow vertically. So I have drawn, and you see these two arrows meet at which point or which number? 90. So what would be the result? Yes, 90. So this is the way to do this kind of problem. I think you will do in this way, and very easy problem. Try to learn and try to do yourself by yourself, right? Now question number 6, look at the grid and above and multiply. So you have to do multiply using this grid, but so you have to fill up this using this grid. You have to learn and do it first, okay? And I know you will do easily. Suppose I'm giving an example. Suppose not giving an example. In your question number 8, 6 cross 8. I'm telling again how to do it. 6 cross 8. That means you have to find out 6 from the topmost, not topmost, leftmost column. Okay? Leftmost column. Where is leftmost column? This is the leftmost column, and where is 6? This is 6 and I have circled it, and the second number is 8. So where is 8? So this is 8 and circled it. Now draw a arrow, and from 8 draw a arrow, and you know this meets at 48. So what would be the product? Yes, 48. Similarly, 9 cross 10 you will get 90. 4 cross 10 it will be 40. 5 cross 8 it will be 40. 3 cross 6 it will be 18. So I think you will, so you have to do the remaining problems using this grid, and please do it. Try to learn first and do it. This is your HW, right? Please do it in your book. Now we will learn multiplying by 0 and 1. Multiplying a number by 0 and 1. When we multiply a number by 0, the product is always be 0. The product is always 0. Okay? Suppose 3 cross 0, that means 3 times 0. 3 times 0 is 0. 4 times 0 is 0. 10 times 0 is also 0. That means when you multiply a number by a 0, then you will get always 0. Right? When you multiply a number by 1, you will always get the number itself, that is 3. 3 ones are 3, 4 ones are 4, 9 ones are 9, 10 ones are 10. Right? Now question number 18 you have to solve in your book. Write the missing number as shown. The first question is solved. Now I'm coming to question number B. Multiplying by which number you will get 46? Obviously, I told you, when we multiply a number by 1, when you multiply a number by 1, you will get itself the number. Since you get 46 and you are multiplying by 1, so multiplicand will be 46, right? Similarly, when you multiplying by 1, when we multiply 1 by a number, you also get the number itself. When you multiply 1 by any number, you will get the number itself. That is the problem question number C. So this in the space it will be 1. Right? Question number D. 41 cross dash equal to 0. I told you, when you multiply a number by 0, you will get 0. So in this dash it will be 0. Question number E. Similarly, it will be 1, because multiplying a number by 1, so you will get the number itself. Question number F. Obviously it would be 0, because the result is 0. Now 6 cross 0, that means 6 times 0. I told you 6 times 0, 3 times 0, 4 times 0, all the result will be 0. That's why it would be 0. 1 cross 8, that means 1 times 8, or you can say 1 times 8 means 8 is repeating how many times? 1 times. So what will be the result? Yes, 8. Isn't? Now question number I. 456 cross 0. 456 times 0. So you are not going anywhere. That means, so what would be the result? Yes, 0. So this is our required result, and we have done 18 very easily, right? Now we will learn multiplying by 10 and 100. Multiplying by 10 means when we multiply a number by 10, we have to put 0. We have to put 0 at the end of the number to get the product. We have to put 0 at the end of the number to get the product. Suppose 6 into 10, right? So answer will be, or product will be, to put 0 at the end of the number. So 6, it is the number, and put 0 only. How many zeros? 1 0. Just put 0. So answer will be 60. 6 tens are 60. When you multiply 9 cross 10, so the number is 9 and you multiplying by 10, that means the number 9, you have to write 9 and add 0 at the end. How many zeros? 1 0. So I have done. So answer will be 90. Similarly, 5 cross 10. Tell me. Yes, it will be 50. The same logic. Now if I put 41 cross 10, so it is given 41 cross 10. I told you just put the 0 at the end of a number to get the product. So 41, write down 41 and put 0 at the end. So I have written 0. So this is our required result. Very easy. 10 into 10. So 10 and how many zeros? Only 1 0. Add it at the end. So this is our result. Now when you multiply a number by 100, when you multiply any number by 100, you have to put two zeros at the end of the number to get the product. Suppose 5 into 100, 5 into 100, that means write down 5 and add two zeros at the end of the number. So I have added. So this is our required result. So 5 cross 100 or 5 times 100 equal to 500. Similarly, 6 cross 100, 600. 7 cross 100, 700. 1 cross 100, obviously 100. 10 cross 100, so 10 and two zeros at the end. So this is 1000. This is 1000. So this is a 4-digit number. Okay, all the digits are 3-digit and this is 4-digit number. Now we want to fill up this question 19. It says 7 cross 10, 7 cross 10, 7 and add 0 because you are multiplying by 10. Similarly, 40 cross 10 is 400 because 40 and add 0 because you are multiplying by 10. But here in the question number C, you are multiplying by 100. So the number is 4 and add two zeros at the end. So I have added. So this is our result. Similarly, 1 cross 100 is 100. 10 cross 10, that means you have to write 10, that is the number, and add, because you are multiplying by 10, so you have to add only 1 0 at the end. So 10 and 0, that means 100. Similarly, it would be 80, 61 and at the end it was 0. 610, it is 500, 300, 200 and KLMNO you have to do in your book by yourself. Please try to learn it and do it. Okay, I think this video will help you to make understand. Please do your maths daily. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the class. Thank you.